Good morning, guys. So today is November 4th. It is 9:30 and I don't know what just happened there. I'm at work, as you can tell. I work till 3 here, and then I'm at my other job 3:30 to 7:30. So it's a long day today. This vlog is probably going to be pretty much similar to the last one, just because I'm at work, not a lot happens. I don't have any videos to put up today, and it is Sunday, and I feel really bad. So my schedule is a little off, but oh well. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good weekend. I worked, and I am now going into a 50+ hour work week, so that's fun. Yeah, so I am currently just sitting here. I just did some paperwork that someone else didn't do, so I had to do their job, which is always fun. And so I'm just going to catch up on some YouTube videos. And I think I'm going to start brainstorming some Christmas videos I want to do. I have a couple people who want to do collabs, which is so cool. If you're watching this and you want to do a holiday collab or any collab at all, make sure to email me or DM me on Instagram. That's usually where you can find me. And if you have any video requests, let me know. I need some inspiration. But yeah, so I'm at work. Not much going on. I didn't film Friday because Fridays are so hard. I work 13.5 hours on Fridays, and I wake up at 7, and I hate mornings, so picking up the camera in the morning was not an option. There was just a lot of people around, and I'm not comfortable vlogging around people yet. Don't know if we'll ever get to that. Saturday I didn't vlog. I was going to vlog after work and film, but I had the worst migraine and it was horrible, so I didn't do that. But I am vlogging today. I'm at work. It won't be a very long vlog, probably won't be very interesting, but you know what? It's a vlog, it's a video. No complaining here. Hey guys, so it is actually now Monday, November 5th. I didn't vlog the rest of, what day was that? Sunday? Was that just yesterday? I don't even remember. I don't know when I vlogged. I worked today. I only worked a 4-hour shift, which was okay. I honestly can't tell you the last time I had a day off. Tomorrow was supposed to be my day off, but now I'm working an 8.5-hour shift, and it's great. But my manager was nice enough to ask if I wanted to sleep in, so I get to sleep in a little bit. I start later in the morning. But anyways, I completely forgot to vlog whenever I, look at that highlight. I vlogged last, but I will carry on today. So I did go to work. I am still in my work clothes. I got off at 1 and it's 2 o'clock now, and I'm exhausted, but I thought I would do some montages of me cleaning because my room is a mess. I have laundry to do, I have boxes and garbage, and I'm going to the mall later today with my mom. It's already at the mall today once. But yeah, so I thought I'd do some montages. I have a list of videos I want to film, probably today. But yeah, so I will carry along yesterday's vlog to today and just make it a combined vlog, and let's get some stuff done. So actually, first things first, let's get out of these work clothes. Okay, so as you just saw, I just cleaned up my vanity. It is looking a lot better now. And I just did laundry, and then I just put up a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following it, it's linked down below, and I will also insert a picture of it here. But I just posted on Instagram asking if I should hang my pants or my shirts up in my closet. My closet is tiny, so I can't do both, and I only have one drawer. I hope I'm gonna go clear some stuff out, but I have run out of room, and so my laundry basket just sits full of clean clothes, and then I think I rewash the same things like 5 times before I wear them because I have nowhere to put them because my room is so small. So I just did that, and we will see in probably like an hour, because it will probably take me a while to clear out the drawer. I'm clearing out that little one there. I need a bigger one, that's for sure, but right now that one has, you know, underwear, bras. That one has hoodies, that one has pajamas, and that one also has hoodies. And then as you see up there, that has a lot more hoodies. I need to get rid of some hoodies. I know I have some that don't fit anymore, so they just need to go. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I probably won't montage that because I will probably get distracted a lot because I hate doing that. But my room is getting there. I have to go do dishes as well, and I should probably eat something since I haven't eaten since 8:30 this morning. And it is now 2:40, so I'm going to do that after I figure all this out. Because I don't know if you can see, so these are my pants down here, shirts up here, and then I will show you my closet. So this is what I have to work with. So as you can see right now, I have pants here, but these are so overloaded, like they're breaking. And then I have shirts here, but as you can see, there's like nothing here because it doesn't fit. I mean, yeah, I have some empty hangers, but there's a lot more there than there are of hangers. And Pete Justin Bieber in the background. So that is that. So I'm going to work on that, and then I will let you guys know what Instagram says. I'll probably put a screenshot here when I come back. Okay, so it's been a little while. It is now currently 4 o'clock, and I finished getting rid of my hoodies. All of those are going bye-bye, unfortunately, but I now have a clear drawer. And the poll, shirts one, so shirts are going in my closet, and I deleted it before I took a screenshot, so I don't have a picture for you, but I'm going to work on that now, and I'm going to put all my shirts in my closet, and I guess put my pants in the drawer. So I'll do that, and I put this on because I was trying it on, and then I decided I'm just going to leave it on, so this is what I'm wearing. Hey guys, so I don't know where I left off, to be honest. I can't remember. It is 7:30. I went out to the mall with my mom for a bit, picked up a few things. I will show you what I picked up. So I got a phone case because I have a life proof for my phone, but I have the iPhone 8 and the camera quality is so amazing on it, but with the life proof, you can't see it. So I got that camo case, and then I got another case that you will see in the later vlogs because it's on my phone right now. And then I picked up just a little purse because I need like a little purse. Like I have my big purses, and I thought just get a little one. The camera doesn't pick up the quality. It looks brown in the camera, but it's actually like a rosy pink. So it's really cute, really small. I will do a what's in my purse video soon. It's actually on my list of videos that I might film tonight. But I'm going back to sorting through all my hoodies there, seeing what I can maybe sell and stuff like that. Cleaning my room. I still want to film. I didn't get to film much. I've just been doing the vlog and cleaning. So I can film, so hopefully I'll film a couple videos tonight. But other than that, that's all. So I'm going to work on seeing what I'm going to like just chuck, donate, sell, and I'll let you guys know.